Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is mushrooms, and we'll be making mushroom soup with cold ricotta and striped bass with mushroom soup and roasted mushroom salad. Joining me in our Morris Black kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury. So where should we get started?
Okay, well, first thing we're going to do is just work on our soup. That takes the longest.
So what kind of mushrooms are those?
These are shiitake, and then you can use, I like in the soup, is a really potent, beautiful mushroom is a porcini.
I love porcini mushrooms.
And if you can't find any fresh or frozen, you can use the dry. So,
little red onion.
red onion, and then we got
Some garlic.
What I like to do first is get the mushrooms caramelized.
I know you're
Quartering
leaving
them.
the stems
Yeah.
off, just the caps go in.
Yeah.
And what are some nutritional values of mushrooms? Why should our family be eating them?
So mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D. It's one of the non-animal sources of vitamin D.
That's actually very interesting because a lot of children during the winter months are low on vitamin D. So
We don't get out there and get our sun exposure. It's hard depending on where you live in the winter time. So this is a great way to get vitamin D into your diet.
that's very good to know.
So when you get these really nice sear on the mushrooms, it's just beautiful.
And that was
Yeah.
so fast. That's just like 2 seconds.
Yeah, you have it like
Nice.
nice hot. Okay, then we're going to throw onions and garlic.
Okay.
Mushrooms also are good for the immune system, and that's good every time of the year. You know, whether it's wintertime or summertime, our immune systems could always use a little boost.
So you're just seasoning with salt.
Get nice
and
and
a little
hot.
salt's
And it's
okay,
very
right?
important
Oh, a
to.
little bit is absolutely fine, unless there's something with your own child's health or your health.
So when you do use striped bass, it's really important to get them really, really dry. So there's no
Okay.
moisture on there because then that will make it not stick into the pan.
Okay.
Okay,
Get
and
the
you're
skin
doing
really crispy.
skin
down.
Skin down, yeah. So
You
it
got
will,
the pan
have
right
a
in there,
tendency to curl up on you, the skin
Okay.
itself. You can score the skin. That also helps it from not curling up like this.
Okay.
But I do like the skin straight across.
Okay.
So now we got our soup's getting going here.
Okay.
I do like to put a little bit of soy. You can use actually mushroom soy in there.
Oh, nice.
So now we're going to work on our mushroom salad.
Okay.
Well, yeah, we're going to make a salad. We're going to put the bass on top of it, and we'll use this as a sauce, actually.
So everything really all goes together. You're not making
Exactly.
all these different meals. You're not running around the kitchen like a crazy person.
Exactly, which I think a lot of parents do. You know, this one likes this one likes
Yeah.
this, and you end up making 10 different meals.
Yes.
But you're kind of making a few different things for the family, but they kind of all go together.
They all go
So-
together. And so we know time is a precious commodity. And so this can not waste the ingredients and not waste your time.
Exactly.
And I like asparagus when it's a little crunchy. I mean,
Okay.
not like where you...
Yeah,
but, you know,
overcooked.
yeah, just nice and
Not too
Right.
mushy. Yeah.
So
These
we're
are
gonna
great meal
puree?
prepping meals. Yeah.
mushrooms.
Let's clean up if it all goes back into the same pot.
That actually looks so thick, and it has no cream in it.
Again, I really, really love parsley itself, so I'm going to
Okay.
just chop up some fine.
How's our striped bass?
Is it ready? You know, and they call this a
Smells
salad,
good.
but I do. I look at it as a warm salad.
Warm salad.
Well, and I
So-
think if you enjoy your meal, if you enjoy cooking, and you as parents are enjoying it, your children watch that, and they pick up on that, and they're going to be more excited about eating if you're excited yourself.
So this is a fresh ricotta.
Okay?
Let's try the soup.
Okay.
All right, sounds
yeah.
good. It's so warm and so creamy.
Yeah.
And very, very
Yeah,
flavorful.
the ricotta is so nice, cold.
Delicious.
You really taste the mushroom. How about this
Yeah.
fish dish?
Okay.
So the striped bass.
Gotta take a little bit of everything. So good. Need some more.
Yeah, really nice fresh.
That is delicious. Absolutely delicious.